Get proactive on treating your aches and pains by keeping BraceAbility's hot and cold therapy gel packs on hand. Microwave safe and freezer friendly, these convenient gel packs supply heat for chronic pains like arthritis or cold for acute and new injuries. They remain soft and pliable even when frozen, molding easily around your body's joints and curves. Made of medical grade, non-toxic gel, they retain cold and heat longer, and they are safe for all ages. Covered in durable, puncture-resistant plastic, these gel packs are easy to wipe clean after every use thanks to their smooth surface. At 9 by 11 inches, our reusable gel pack is big enough to cover large areas of your body, such as your back, chest, abdomen, hip, or thigh. Looking for hands-free support? Position the gel pack inside the pocket of an accommodating back brace. It may also be used in combination with an ACE bandage. Place flattened gel pack in freezer for at least 4 hours. Wrap it in a cloth towel or other protective covering, then apply to affected area. Use in 20-minute increments or as medically prescribed, allowing your skin to warm before reapplying. Return gel pack to freezer between uses. For best heating results, store at room temperature. If your gel pack has been in the freezer, remove and let it thaw to room temperature before heating. Place flattened gel pack in microwave and heat for 1 minute. Carefully check temperature, squeezing gel around to distribute the heat. Reheat in 30-second increments until desired temperature is reached. Remember, cold should be used to help reduce swelling, inflammation, and muscle spasms, or soothe your muscles after a tough workout. And heat should be used to relax your muscles, provide comfort during cramping, soothe arthritic and aching joints, and relax tight backs. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@braceability.com or call us at 866-712-7808. And if you'd like to see similar videos in the future, please subscribe to our channel. Also, click here to check out our decompression back brace, which includes a gel pack for hot and cold therapy.